Do you want to join a voice chat in your chat groups on Battle.net? Let me show you how to do that. So all you have to do is just simply click in chats and groups on the lower right hand side. Go ahead and find that group that you want. So once you select that group, guys, you can switch between whichever chat or channels that you have. And as you can see here, I'm going to choose, for example, this Call of Duty channel here. And on the upper right hand side, you will see the option that says join voice chat. So simple click on that and you'll be able to join any voice chat that is ongoing or available. And as you can see right here, it pops up and it's going to allow my microphone and so forth. It's going to allow to use my network. So I just need to go ahead and click and allow from there. And once I go ahead and allow that, guys, you can see that it is now there. At any point in time, guys, you want to end this, just simple click leave and you can just leave it, and that's it. Alternatively, you can find those different channels, and if you look towards the right hand side of the channels, you also have the option here to join those voice chat as well by clicking on that. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.